You make good money. Maybe not rich money, but good money. More than your parents made, more than most of your friends, enough that you should feel okay. But you don't, because no matter how much comes in, it's gone before the month is over, and you're sitting there wondering where it all went again. If that's you, I need you to hear this. You are not bad with money. You are caught in a trap that is specifically designed to keep high earners broke. And today, I am going to show you exactly how it works and exactly how to get out. Hey, real quick, before I break down this trap, there is actually a hidden layer to this that goes way deeper than just budgeting. It is something hardwired into most Americans that is quietly draining their bank accounts, and I'm going to share how you can find out if you have it in just a couple of minutes. Here is something that will shock you. Nearly 4 in 10 Americans earning over $100,000 a year live paycheck to paycheck. Let that land for a second. People making 6 figures with college degrees, good jobs, nice apartments, still one unexpected bill away from financial panic. This is not a spending problem. This is not a laziness problem. This is a system problem. And once you understand the system, you can beat it. It's called the high-income poverty trap, and it works like this. Your income goes up, your lifestyle goes up with it. Your expenses match your income dollar for dollar, and no matter how many raises you get, you never actually pull ahead. You look successful, but you feel stuck. And the worst part is, you feel like you can't even say that out loud. Let me show you how this plays out in real life. Take someone making $115,000 a year. Take home after taxes is roughly $7,200 a month. Sounds like a lot. Let's watch it disappear. Rent or mortgage, $2,100. Car payment, $600. Car insurance, $180. Student loans, $400. Credit card minimum payments, $250. Groceries, $550. Utilities and phone, $300. Subscriptions, gym, streaming, apps, $190. Eating out and coffee, $450. Miscellaneous, $250. Total gone, $6,270. That leaves about $930. But then the tire blows out, or the kid needs new shoes, or someone's getting married and you're in the wedding, or the dentist bill comes in. And just like that, the month ends at zero. This is not a fictional story. This is happening to millions of people right now. Maybe it's happening to you. And here is the truth that Wall Street and the credit card companies pray you never figure out. This endless cycle is not just bad luck. For a lot of us, there is a literal, invisible block, almost like a genetic wealth ceiling, that keeps us making just enough to survive, but never enough to get ahead. It is designed to keep you borrowing and keep you stressed. I actually found a private breakdown, a kind of DNA wealth reading that exposes exactly what your specific block is and how to bypass it so you can actually keep your money. I cannot post the link here because these platforms tend to suppress anything that teaches real financial independence, but I want you to have it. Just message me the word wealth on Instagram and I will send the private link directly to you. It is the smartest move you will make for your wallet today. So why does this keep happening? 3 reasons. First, lifestyle inflation. Every time your income grows, your spending grows with it. New job, new apartment, new car, new everything. Each upgrade feels deserved. Each upgrade feels reasonable. But when your expenses always rise to meet your income, you never actually build anything. You are running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. Second, social pressure. We live inside a machine that constantly tells us what success is supposed to look like. The house, the car, the vacations, the restaurants. And when the people around you are spending at a certain level, you feel pressure to match it. Not because you want to, but because you don't want to look like you're struggling. So you spend money you don't have to impress people you may not even like, and you call it living your life. Third, no one taught us this. 12 years of school, not one class on how to manage money, build savings, or invest for the future. We learned the quadratic formula. We did not learn how to build wealth. So we make it up as we go. We copy what we see, we spend what we have, and we hope it works out somehow. Hope is not a financial plan. Now, here's the thing I really need you to hear. There is a specific kind of shame that comes with this situation. Because you make good money. You know you make good money. So why can't you get it together? And that shame makes you avoid looking at your bank account, avoid talking about it, avoid dealing with it, because looking at it makes it real. But avoiding it is exactly what keeps you stuck. You are not failing. You were never given the tools. And today, that changes. By the way, thousands of people have already messaged me for that wealth block reading I mentioned earlier. They are already finding out exactly what is draining their accounts behind the scenes. You can absolutely still catch up. Just shoot me the word wealth on Instagram while I'm still sending it out. Here's how you break out. 6 steps, real ones, starting today. Step 1. Find out where the money is actually going. Pull up your last 2 months of transactions, every single one. Categorize them. Food, subscriptions, shopping, entertainment, impulse purchases. Most people find between $200 and $600 a month going to things they barely remember buying. That money is the starting point for everything else. You cannot fix a leak you have not found yet. Step 2. Build a plan for your money before the month starts, not after, before. Write down your income, then assign every dollar a purpose. Rent, groceries, savings, fun, debt payments. Keep going until your income minus your planned spending equals 0. Every dollar accounted for, every dollar with a job. This is called zero-based budgeting, and it is the single most powerful shift you can make, because when money has a direction, it stops disappearing. Step 3. Pay yourself first, every single month. The moment your paycheck hits, move money to savings automatically, before bills, before groceries, before anything else. Start with 5% if that's all you can do. On $7,000 take-home, that's $350. In 12 months, that's $4,200 you did not have before. Increase that percentage by 1% every few months. Build the habit first. The amount will grow. Step 4. Freeze your lifestyle right where it is. This one is hard, but it is critical. The next time your income goes up, do not upgrade your life. Not yet. Let the raise hit your savings account first. Let it build your emergency fund first. Let it pay down a debt first. You can enjoy your money, but enjoy it intentionally, not automatically. Not because upgrading is just what you do when you earn more. Upgrading your lifestyle is not a reward for hard work. Building real wealth is the reward for hard work. And listen, if you have kids or aging parents at home, breaking this cycle matters even more. You need to know what invisible wealth ceilings you might accidentally be passing down to them. That is all covered in the private reading I put together. Message wealth over on Instagram so you can protect your family's future. Step 5. Build your emergency fund. This is not optional. 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Not touched, not invested in anything risky, just sitting there, working quietly as your financial force field. When the car breaks down, you pay cash. When a medical bill shows up, you handle it without panic. When life gets unpredictable, because it always does, you are ready. Without this fund, every emergency becomes a financial crisis. With it, emergencies become inconveniences. Step 6. Start investing right now with whatever you have. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, contribute at least enough to capture the full match. That is free money sitting on the table. Take it. After that, open a Roth IRA. Put in whatever you can. $50, $100, whatever the number is, start. Because the most powerful thing in investing is time, and every month you wait is time you cannot get back. You do not need to know everything about investing to begin. You just need to begin. Let me tell you what life looks like on the other side of this. You open your bank account and you feel calm. Not anxious, not ashamed, calm. An unexpected expense shows up and you think, I can handle this, because you can. You stop dreading the end of the month. You stop waking up at 2 in the morning doing math in your head. You stop feeling like a fraud, like you were supposed to have it together, but secretly you don't. That version of your life is real. It is achievable, and it does not require you to make more money. It requires you to make a plan for the money you already have. You work incredibly hard. You have worked hard your entire life to get where you are. You deserve to feel safe. You deserve to feel free. You deserve to actually keep some of what you earn. The trap is real, but it is not permanent. One decision, 1 month, one step at a time. Start today. And part of starting today means making sure you are not fighting an invisible battle against your own financial DNA. Please do not close this video and go back to letting the system quietly drain your hard-earned money. Send me a message on Instagram with the word wealth. I will personally send you that private reading so you can finally break the cycle and keep what is yours. You have worked way too hard to leave this up to chance. Message me right now and let us get your money right.